how are you all? So today we will discuss a very interesting chapter from your mathematics textbook, that is what is long and what is round. So first of all we will play a game. I will show you some things and you have to guess what is that thing. So first thing for you is this. You are definitely familiar with this thing. What is that thing? Yes, this is a marker. Where do you use this? In your classroom, है ना? अपने क्लासरूम में यूज करते हैं इसे. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि ये लॉन्ग है या फिर राउंड? डू यू टेल मी, कैन यू टेल मी दैट इट इज लॉन्ग और राउंड? यस, इट इज लॉन्ग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग फॉर यू इज दिस. व्हाट इज दिस? यस, दिस इज एन ऑरेंज. व्हाट इज इट्स कलर? दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑरेंज. सो कैन यू टेल मी इट इज इट round or long? Yes, it is round in shape. So the next thing for you is this. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a matchbox. Your mother used this for your cooking, for burning fire. Yes. Do you know it is can you tell me this is round or long? Yes, this is long. Why? Because it has corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is long. Next shape for you is, next thing for you is this. What is this? Yes, this is a mobile phone. This is it long or round? Yes, it is long. It is long. Now next thing for you is this. What is this? Yes, it is scissor. Now next thing for you is, this is your favorite. You play with this. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a ball, pink color ball. So is it round or long? Oh, now you all know this is round. Now I will show you some pictures and you have to guess that picture is round or long. Now here are some pictures given and you have to tell that it is long or round. The first one is this. Do you know what is this? Yes, ये क्या है? पेंसिल. क्या है ये? पेन. सॉरी, ये क्या है? पेन. सो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं क्या ये राउंड है या फिर लॉन्ग? यस, ये किस शेप का है? लॉन्ग. Why it is long? Because it has no corner. It has corner because it has corner. Okay. Now next thing is, next your picture is this. What is this? Yes, very good. ये क्या है? एक coin. So क्या ये round है या फिर long? Yes, coin कैसा है? Round. Coin कैसा है? Round. Why? Because it has no कॉर्नर. कोई भी कॉर्नर मुझे इसमें नहीं नजर आ रहा. नेक्स्ट थिंग है हमारी ये. क्या है ये? व्हाट इज दिस? बॉल. कौन सी शेप की है ये? क्या ये राउंड है या फिर लॉन्ग? यस, ये किस शेप की है हमारी? राउंड, क्योंकि इसमें भी कोई हमें कॉर्नर नहीं दिखता. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा क्या है. यस, ये क्या है? झाड़ू. ब्रूम. क्या है ये? ब्रूम. क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये राउंड है या फिर लॉन्ग? यस, यू कैन इजीली सी दिस इज लॉन्ग. क्या है ये? लॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज दिस. यू यूज दिस फॉर ईटिंग फूड. वेरी गुड. दिस इज स्पून. क्या है ये? स्पून. अब मुझे आप बताइए, क्या ये राउंड है या फिर लॉन्ग? यस, ये क्या है? लॉन्ग. क्या है ये? लॉन्ग. Next one is this. You can see this in different vehicles. Okay. So this is wheel. क्या है ये? Wheel. ये क्या है? पहिया. So ये round है या फिर long? हाँ जी, ये क्या है? Round, क्योंकि इसका भी कोई corner नहीं है. ये क्या है? आप इसको line draw करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. You use this for drawing lines. Yes, this is रूलर. सो रूलर कैसा होता है? लॉन्ग और राउंड. यू कैन सिंपली सी इट इज लॉन्ग. आई थिंक आपको लॉन्ग एंड राउंड का जो कंसेप्ट है वो क्लियर हो गया होगा. Now we will move forward to the next topic of this chapter. Now we will discuss a very nice topic, that is what rolls, what slides. Do you know things having round surface rolls, otherwise the things having flat surface slides. You can see here, this is an orange and this is having round surface. This is having round, it is not flat now, this is having round surface, so it will roll. And on the other hand, I am having this stapler pens box and it has flat surface, so it will slide. Some of the things having both flat and round surface, you can see here it has flat and round surface both, so it will both slide and rolls. Now I will show you this by using an illustration. Okay, now here is our slide. Okay, now this is an orange. Okay, now you can see it is rolling. It is rolling. So things having round surface rolls. So now I have this matchbox. Now I will show you it will slide or rolls. So it is sliding. Why? Because it is having flat surface. You can see easily it is sliding. Next thing for you is this. What is this? This is a tomato and you can see it has round surface. So it will roll or slide? Yes, right, it will roll. So tomato is rolling. Tomato is rolling. Next thing for you is this Caesar. So it is having also having flat surface now. So let's see. Yes, it is sliding. So मैंने आपको अभी बताया जिसका राउंड और जिसका फ्लैट एंड राउंड दोनों सरफेसेस होते हैं तो वो दोनों चीजें करते हैं. देखिए, so it is rolling and it is also sliding. See, it is also sliding. I have other example also. You can see this coin. Okay, so it's also having flat and round surface both. So let's see. Now it is sliding. यहाँ पे फ्लैट है ना, so ये क्या कर रहा है? स्लाइड. और यहाँ पे इसका जो सरफेस है ये राउंड है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या करेगा? रोल. क्या करेगा? रोल. ओके, सो आपको अभी समझ आ गया होगा कि ऐसी चीजें जिनका फ्लैट सरफेस होता है वो स्लाइड करती हैं, ऐसी चीजें जिनका राउंड सरफेस होता है या फिर कर्व्ड सरफेस होता है वह रोल करती हैं. एंड इसके अलावा ऐसी चीजें जिसका दोनों फ्लैट एंड राउंड बोथ सरफेस होता है वो दोनों करती है, रोलिंग भी और स्लाइडिंग भी. ओके, नाउ वी विल मेक टॉवर. यस, टॉवर. ओके, डू यू नो दैट विद फ्लैट ऑब्जेक्ट्स वी कैन मेक टॉवर इजीली. सो लेट्स मेक टॉवर. Now I have this matchbox. Now let's try making tower from this. It is having flat surface from here. So let's start. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see I can easily make tower from this. By using flat objects, the objects having flat surface, we can make tower easily. So let's try making tower from this tomato. We all know that this is round in shape. So let's try making tower from this. It falls. I will try again. मैं दोबारा try करती हूँ इसे. I try again. You can easily see that it is falling. So what we have observed, अभी हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया कि अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का सरफेस राउंड होगा तो टॉवर बनाने में डिफिकल्टी होगी और अगर किसी का सरफेस फ्लैट होगा तो टॉवर हम इजीली बना सकते हैं. सो आपको क्या करना है, घर में भी फ्लैट ऑब्जेक्ट से टॉवर बना के देखना है. डू यू नो व्हाट इज दिस? Yes, you all are right. This is a coin. You know, we can play a very interesting game from this coin. How? I will show you. Okay, just what you have to do, you have to take a coin like this and you have to put your finger like this. Okay, and this. You can see it is rolling. Isn't it interesting now? You can try this at your home also. I hope that you like all the activities, and what you have to do, you have to find round and long objects in your house also and list them. Okay.